These are Zener diodes, and there is marking on each Zener diode with different color bands. How to find Zener voltage for each diode? I am your host Muhammad Ashraf, and I welcome you on my channel Haseeb Electronics. When we see components on PCBs, we find component ID D112, and here is Zener diode. D, that means diode. In symbol there is Zener diode. If you see here D110, D109, these are Zener diodes. If you will remove it, there is symbol for Zener diode. D007, here are many Zener diodes. It is camera power supply for a Japanese brand camera. So I found these components. Let's see what are the color band values on these diodes. Let's check this one. If we place in this way, the left side red band. Here it is indicating cathode and it is showing first band red. We will use simple color code chart that is used for resistors. Red 2. Second band violet 7. 27 volt. If we see this one, red black, red 2 black 0, that means 20 volt. Orange black 30 30 volt. Now we will test it. Brown black 1010 volt. Brown red 1 2 12 volt. And this is 3 band marking. In 3 band marking, green, brown, 5 1, and last number brown 1 decimal point here 5.1 volt. Now we will use power supply. Because we are testing 30 volt Zener, so I need booster module. Otherwise I have 24 volt, so we cannot test this diode and we cannot test this diode. So I will boost the voltage to test it. Positive voltage, we will connect to 10k resistor. You can use any 10k, 1k, 4.7k, any resistor value, but I am using 10k resistor. DC voltage, we will connect at this point. Black lead common, multimeter common here, multimeter positive after resistor. Positive voltage, multimeter here, and common to the power supply common. We have this wire here now, and I will use another jumper wire and I will connect at the same point after resistor. Now we have 2 open points. Multimeter is showing 39.75 volt. I will connect positive lead to the cathode side and black lead to anode side. We said 5.1 volt, it is showing 4.9. That means its Zener voltage are 5.1 volt. It is good. Then 12 volt. In one direction it will show Zener voltage 11.89. That means it is good. If you will connect the second side, it will give forward voltage for a regular diode 0.7 volt. Because Zener is connected always in reverse side, cathode, the leftmost band, will be connected to positive terminal and black to the anode. 11.9 12 volt Zener. brown black 10 volt Zener 9.87. 9.87, that means the code is good. Then we have orange black. Orange side we will connect positive voltage. (29.7 volt). If I will check supply voltage are 39.84. But when we connected Zener, the voltage are 29.74, that are Zener voltage. Red, black. (19.56). (27.5). Yes. 27 volt. If you have some experience about these diodes, please write in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.